How to log in into Bexley tax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how you can log in into your Bexley tax account. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now open any browser you have on your device. For example, I will use Safari. Now search for Bexley Tax Login. Here, as you can see, I have already searched for it. Now tap on the first link that you see on your screen. Wait for a while and now you can see this type of interface will be appeared on your screen. Now you can finally enter your username and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your username, tap on forget username option, and if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget password option. And if you are a new user, you can tap on register option. So in this simple way, you can log in into your account. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.